Welcome back to Arch Accounting, the accounting system fully integrated with Arch Retail POS. In this session, we are going to have a look at debtors. Click on debtors in the main menu. Debtor accounts can be linked to different debtor types to make it easier to categorize debtors, and you can set up your own debtor types. To explain it, let's go and click on a debtor. I'm going to select Bowling Club. If you enter the debtor, you will note all the different transactions that came from the till. There was an opening balance and there was a payment at the till as well. You will note that the total balance of all the charges and payments to this account amount to zero, so it's very easy to reconcile all of them. To reconcile all of them, I can either click them individually, and you'll see there's an action total at the top, or I can click at the top to tick all of them. The action total is zero, and when an action total is zero, it's easy to reconcile them. And I'm going to click Manual Recon to reconcile all those entries. And all the transactions will disappear because we are viewing an open item or unreconciled view. To view all the reconciled items, I'm going to click on History, and there you will see all the items that we've just reconciled with the recon ID, the date on which they were reconciled. Let's click on back on current debtor accounts to view the current view, and then on back to go back to the main debtor account listing. If I click on that little pencil to the right, it's edit the debtors. It will take us to a screen with all the debtor settings regarding address, how they're going to pay, etc. I'm not going to deal with that in further detail for the purpose of this demo. The debtor menu options at the top are add debtors to add new debtors. You're going to print the debtors ledger if you want to send out statements either via email or print them. You can add a sales invoice for sales that's not made in Arch POS. Generate an age analysis, which is stock standard for accounting programs, and all the data can also be exported to Excel. This concludes the session on debtors. Please continue to watch the creditors demo video.